welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today we're gonna make breakfast, and I'm gonna make a potato hash with Bratwurst sausages. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be simple, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna take our sausages and place them in the pot. We're gonna steam cook them. So we're gonna put about a tablespoon of water in, and we're gonna cover it up. And when they're cooking, you wanna make sure that you're rotating them so they get brown on each side. Then we're gonna take our diced potatoes and we're gonna fill up the pot to make sure that all the potatoes are covered in water. After that, then you wanna put about 2 pinches of salt in the water, and you wanna cover it, and you wanna cook that on high heat for 5 minutes, and the sausages on medium-high for 10 minutes. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes, so let's check if our potatoes are ready. You want to make sure that they're soft, but you don't want them too soft, so I'm going to check one with a fork, and look, that is good to go. All right, let's drain our potatoes, and you want to make sure all the water's out, and then we're going to put those to the side. And now it's been about 10 minutes, so we're going to check on our sausages to see if they are ready. And look at that nice, pretty golden brown color. So we're gonna take our sausages out of the pot, and then we're gonna set it to the side to rest. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm gonna place our onions with our garlic. Then I'm gonna get our celery. Do not add the celery leaves. We'll reserve that for later. Then our shiitake mushrooms, optional. If you don't like shiitake mushrooms, you don't have to put them in there. And we start sauteing them. Then I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. And we're gonna add our potatoes that we cooked earlier, so we can warm them up and make them crispy. So I'm gonna saute those as well, and our bell peppers. And now you wanna add our celery leaves. Then you wanna start sauteing. And you want to make sure that everything's all crispy and soft, and then you want to add the remaining salt and pepper. Make sure that you give the potato hash a good mix. Now it's time to chop up our sausage. Look at that. Look at the color. It has been cooked completely through, and it's juicy. It has a definitely nice, yummy smell to it. And we're going to take our sausages and add it to our potato hash. We want to make sure that everything in our pot is getting golden brown. And I'm going to add our cherry tomatoes from our garden. Look at the presentation, beautiful color. So nice. Lastly, we're going to add our cheese. And you want to make sure the cheese is shredded, and you want to melt it with our potato hash. Let's add some eggs to our potato hash. What I'm doing is I'm making gaps for about 4 eggs. So I'm gonna put the 4 eggs in each of the gaps. Then once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna let the eggs cook for about 3 minutes in the pan. Okay, now our potato hash is ready. So let's turn off the heat. Wow, it's so pretty. So I put the eggs on top and covered it so it cooks the eggs. So now we're gonna try it. But I'm gonna add a little fine touches to it with parsley. So chopped up parsley. Basically, it's just for presentation. It has a beautiful presentation with the parsley herbs. All right, now we have put our potato hash on its plate. So let's try this potato hash. So pretty. And I'm gonna cut into the yolk a little bit because I like a little yolk. And little potato, that's always nice. You see? Wow. Now that's some good breakfast. It has the flavors of the potatoes and the herbs that we put in and the fresh tomatoes and the bell pepper. So you have all these lovely, fabulous flavors inside this potato hash. Please, if you want to make an easy, simple breakfast potato hash with bratwurst sausage, try my recipe. Until next time, thank you for watching.